You will love the features of this 2018 GMC Yukon XL. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This exceptional Yukon XL delivers rugged performance, refined comfort, and plenty of room for passengers and cargo, thanks to its extra-long wheelbase. Your options for towing and road tripping are wide open in this full-size SUV with an oversized appetite for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, seat memory, leather seats, trip computer, CD player, power windows, bucket seats. Take charge of every adventure in this superlative Yukon XL. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.